Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to create a business website hero image using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A website hero image fills the screen. The message is strong, but the layout feels tight. Pixel aspect ratio restores correct proportions. Visual breathing space returns. The brand headline suddenly feels easier to read. Business websites depend on first impressions, and proportion decides comfort. Icons align naturally. Background elements stop stretching. A slow review across desktop and mobile sizes confirms consistency. The hero section